Please give me justice.
ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಂಪ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಲೋ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಹಲೋ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್.
Big T-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond.
ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟಿಂದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ. ಹಲೋ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Now I am going to cut a grass for cow. That day I went to it Shankranti festival. That's why I am going to there. I will cut a grass and come back to home. I don't know this cutting item is there. No, my mother taken went or not went. I don't know. That's why I am. Once I will check, and if she not taken went means I will take and go. Finally, I am here to cut a grass. There is no my mother. Me and one more man. He called Shivanna. His name is Shivanna. My mother came here to take 2 cows here. She went to go to do her work. That's why only this much is there. I am decided to cut to today full finish. That's why me and Shivanna started now. I am going to start a work. Jaldi, fast work.
A few moments later.
Finally, I cutted this much. After some minutes, I have my guest now. You want to see? Wait, I will show. But where it's been? See, this called in Kannada Kamli Villa. I don't know what they call in English. How it is to see like this is there, like this. What is this? Not see, now it's allowed. Now it started to walking. Now I am going to put there after that I am starting now. Continue this full now. Let's see it can happen or not. If you understand my English means you like, share also, comment it. I can understand.
A few moments later.
With me now is someone else, the owner of this assets. Now he also joined me. He is helping me now. After he will complete this. After that I will go to this. I completed this much. Now I want water. I will call them boys. I will tell to them, come bring me water. They go and take and come. They're sitting there now. I want to call there. Okay, done. This boys, this man's only this all. Oi! Come here! I called him. He will come now. I will tell him to go and bring a water. Come here. Hi, who is that?
Huh?
Who is that?
Yaro?
Who? That boy.
Friend?
What's his name?
Huh?
Go and bring me a water bottle. Take it. 10 rupees too, okay? Go first. You will go and bring me water. Now I will complete this. Now I will. Next I will go to that. I want water now. Or peacefully I will drink water. He is coming there, taking 2 bottles of water. Thank you. Shivanna, you drink water. Wait. Yes, I am going to see. I told right, he is the Shivan, he will, and me, he'll cut this now. After drink, I will complete. Firstly, I want to do now first. Is there more? After this complete, I want to go to cow for Dhanakayadu. The cow farm, I think. My bubble is sleeping there.
A few moments later.
ಫುಲ್ಲು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ತೂಕೋಬೇಕು, ಈ ಊಟ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೂಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕೋರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿಸಿಲು ಹಿಂಗವೆ 3 ರಸ ಬಂದವೆ. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಟ ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಸೈಲೆಂಟು ಅವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ವೈಲೆಂಟ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಯ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟೈತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟಿ ಊಟ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಸುಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೈ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ, ಈ ಕೈ ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ. ಈ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಏನು ಹಿಡ್ಕಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಕುಟ್ಕೊಲ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕಾರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೈತೆ. ಇದು ಹುಲ್ಲು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೈತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
A few moments later.
Hey, why you came my bag, man? Huh? Tell now. Do you like to come in video or not?
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. ಇದಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳ್ತನ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ.
First your bag. Tell me, yaar.
A few moments later.
I am back. Finally, Nikhil called me. That's why I am with Nikhil. He went to demand. No. Oh, he went to.
You talk to English with me.
Yeah.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯೋ ಮುಂದೆ. Don't talk with me English. Proper ಕನ್ನಡ talk. Proper ಕನ್ನಡ talk to me. Okay? Okay, I will try also. I will speak English. You also speak with me English. Why?
What is this?
Very violent in this area.
I decided to full video I am going to talk in English. That's only content. You don't copy and paste people.
Okay, ನಾನು
Okay.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
You will do like that only. What I will do? I will do video today only. It will upload after 1 week. You will do today only. You will upload tomorrow. My content copy and paste it. There is no any. There is no creation in his mind. You will copy and paste.
ಏನೇನೋ ಬೈತಾವನೆ.
That's why I am decided not to talk with him.
ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಗಿತಾವನೆ.
Let it be there. Let it be there. Laugh. Everyone seeing me only. I get nervous.
ನಿನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅವ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ.
Hey.
ಅವ್ನು ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀನು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ. ನೀನ್
What's your name?
Mandrat.
Huh?
Mandrat.
Tell in English. Tell in English.
What is your name?
My name is Manjit.
My name is Mandrat.
Which what you studying?
Grade 4.
Fourth. Tell your first lesson in English.
Arthavaram.
In that I will ask one question. You tell. What is there upon the earth? Don't know. You don't know. No, I asked him question, but he don't know. Hey, If you talking means also you upload. Otherwise, don't upload video.
ನಾನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ
We both are talking. You upload.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಂತ ಕರ್ಸಿದ್ವಾ
If you talking means you ask any question. How that's like you do it. You will do like that only. We both will talk. He will put on his YouTube channel. He planned to go to movie Landlord. Landlord movie name's called. But I am not interested today because of today's women's RCB match is there. That's why I'm not going. He called me, but I am not interested. I want to see my home matches. I want to see my state matches. I am that much cutter. That's why I am not going to. Now let's call to. Hey, come see. Yeah, what is lab? White bill. Lab. He came. What's called name? Lab only. Breed. Which breed is that?
ಯಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತು
You don't know live. Who will love animals most? They know everything, almost everything.
ಯಾವ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಹೇಳು ಮತ್ತೆ
Oh, lab only.
ಏನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬು
Oh, lab.
ಅದು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ ಅದು
You only comment it. Which breed is that?
ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನ
Hey, lab only, man. Really lab.
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ
ನೀನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. That's a breed also. I will cut it.
ಬೇಡ ಕಟ್
Okay, I am Kannada. I will almost 90% not, and 99% I will speak Kannada only. That's why it will come loud like this man. He will speak Telugu Tamil with his own Kannada friends. Correct or not?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೈ
Correct or not? I will speak 99% Kannada only. We have only Kannada friends. Not like them.
ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಲುಗು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಹತ್ರನು ಕನ್ನಡ
Whatever. You know Kannada means you should also talk in Kannada only.
ಅವನ ಹತ್ರನು ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು
If his friend know Kannada means he should also talk in Kannada only. He will talk in Telugu. His friend also Kannadiga only, but he will talk in Telugu because of his hero, inspiration hero is Mahesh Babu, right? Because of that he will talk in Telugu. He also started in Telugu because of his
ಅವನ್ಗೆ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಇನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ
Okay, whatever. Shashi is coming. Now Nikhil and Shashi going to movie.
ಇನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅವನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
No confirm. Shashi will be waiting. If anyone calls to drink, he will go there. Otherwise, come with Nikhil. he have two choice now. Movie, another side drinks. First is drinks. Second is movie. If drinks call, he will jump to drinks. There is no any drinks means movie. Secondary. If you are Nikhil tell, okay, come with me. I will only buy drinks. You will join. Okay, let's go now only. I think you can't understand me. I am just trying. I can manage English, not perfect, but you should adjust.
ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ IT ಕಂಪ್ನಿನೇ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ
I don't. Now
ಅವನ ಕರೀತೀನಿ ಅವನ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
Shashi decided to not go. Now he called his brother.
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮುಗಿತದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾ ಮೂವಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅದೇ ದುನಿಯಾ ವಿಜಿದ್ದ ಬಾ ನಾನ್ ನೀನು ಇಬ್ರೇ ಓಡೋಣ ಬಾ ಸರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಮತ್ತೆ
Okay. He got one more.
ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ
Finally, he got 1%
ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೇನೆ ಅಂತವ್ರೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ ರಚಿತವ್ರ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಭಾರಿ ಐತೆ
Okay. After event, I am call Chinne and I and him do something else after everything. Okay. I think there is no any content because of I am not going outside today. These people are and that's only challenge. Full video I want to talk in English only. You also come and help me. Come. Let's talk in English. I want to go outside, but there is no money also. What I want to do? What I want to do? Comment it. Chino, come here. Come first. He is sitting there. Let's talk with him also. Everyone should know. I know English. That's why I am started speaking English. If he came means he will take and go me something outside. That's why I called him. I should know. Hey, what is this man? Taxi is going after I honored only. Hey, tell something about me in English.
I don't know.
Please.
I am full depression.
Why? Every money is went. That's why only you will wait.
No, for 1 hour 6,000 I should give.
Which honor?
ಆಟೋ ಓನರ್ 6,000 ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ.
Why?
ಫಾರ್ ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
Abba, I also depression now. You take an rent auto, but he is not given to owner money only. That's why.
90.
He also waiting for someone. Let's buy 90. You only give money. He will also join. Hey, now location change. I am asking Gobi, but no one is buying for me. I want to taste a Gobi now because of Gobi. After eating Gobi, I will complete my video. There is no any active. No, only talking in English only active. Chino, come. Let's buy for me one Gobi. Chino, come.
ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay, give my change. I will go and eat. What it done? I gave 200 rupees. I told you to him, take 10 rupees. After give me 190 rupees change, but he eat it every 200 rupees. Give me. If he eated my money, everything is went.
Please give me justice.
Justice
I am going to eat Gobi. Let's go eat Gobi and I am going to back to home and watch the RCB match. Chino taking came. Bye. We are going to eat Gobi now. Bye. We are now fill petrol now. Take me, otherwise we want to push a bike now. Finally we are reached. Otherwise, Chinnu nuking, I am running. Finally, we are at the location. We visited to eat Gobi. Product to see super. After I will complete, I will get you. I completed my Gobi Manjuri. Now I ordered egg Gobi noodles. It was preparing. After come, I will show how it is. I also not until now. After that prepared, he will bring here. I will show how it is to see. Let's start batting this also. Of course, only I can't complete this. Completed, we are going back to home. That's why I am finally completing this video here. ಹಲೋ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಗೆಳತಿಯರೇ, ನನ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಟಾಟಾ ಬಾಯ್.